guys, welcome again to our live stream. I hope you had a very good weekend. So let's talk about Bitcoin, and let me start with the technical analysis for Bitcoin and weekly close. Weekly close, well, if you don't have time, well, let me tell you something. The weekly close for Bitcoin was nasty, very bad, and well, all the bounces you will see for Bitcoin right now in 4-hour chart, all of them they are a sell, at least in my personal opinion. As you can see here, Bitcoin close with the confirmation, of this breakdown here, as you can see here. And the thing here is, as I said before, if Bitcoin close, any close below $19,500, actually $19,000 around there, in the monthly 20K, right? Well, you will see continuation to the downside. As you can see here, well, Bitcoin is breaking down. And also we have the confirmation of what the reaction MA55 in OBB, as you can see here, okay? So the good scenario right now, okay, we have very good things right now here, but it will take at least 3 months, I think. We have always a variance forming, as you can see here, from this point and this point in OBB and also on the curve. So in some point, this is gonna be a very, very, very strong setup. The problem is, well, not yet. It will take, as I said before, maybe January, February, around there. We will see maybe this setup playing out, okay? So right now for Bitcoin, the weekly close is very bad, yes, and I want to show you a new chart. Like, actually I don't use, but just for, I want to show you something new. The bi-weekly here, usually I don't use it here, but well, in this case I want to show you something that you can expect in the next 3 months, right? Around 5 months, around April, I think. As you can see here, the new close is, well, next week. Any close below $18,000 500, actually 19, and you will see, well, ADX positive here, major reversal, as you can see here. This is just not just weekly chart, I would say. Right now Bitcoin is reversing the monthly trend. Well, bad news, right? I know you don't. That's why I have only 500 subscribers, because people, they don't like when I say Bitcoin will go to zero, right? Okay, but as you can see here, this chart is very interesting, because as you can see here, there is no volume here, nothing at all. And the next bull market for Bitcoin started, for example, here, when Bitcoin was around $10,000 in 2019. Of course, it was quite high, yes, but because Bitcoin entered in sideways, right, in micro time frames, of course, right? But as you can see here, the volume was very, very healthy, okay? So as you can see, we are very, very far away from this potential bull market in micro time frames. So what I'm expecting right now, well, wait for it, because as I said before, this week, any close below $19,000, I will say 500, you will see this asset, of course, the momentum is to the downside, and you will see Bitcoin just keep crashing, okay? Now, let's talk about the weekly chart again, because I want to show you this. Remember, we have all these variance here, yeah? It's not very smart to enter in panic, because, when in 2021 and here in 2022 in March, I said something is going to happen in the world, like people will try to find an excuse. In this case, I don't know, scammers, the FTX, whatever, right? But the question is how I was looking for this major crash if the FTX happened a few days ago. It's very simple. It's because, well, market makers, they can manipulate the price, but it's very hard for them to manipulate the volume. That's why with volume, and of course, while system not trading, based on the probabilities, you can project the price on what they are doing, market makers behind the scenes, okay? So that's why, okay? Now, it's because I don't have a crystal ball, of course, but, well, based on probabilities, it was very obvious, what they were doing in 2021 and 2022. Major divergences here, as you can see here, from this point and this point, and all this, right? So beautiful. So market makers were dumping here, and I said be careful in 2021, because it's a major bull trap. No. Someone with 200K subscribers said Bitcoin will hit 500,000. Yeah, of course. Okay, so as you can see here, the momentum is to the downside. Now let's talk about the 5-day chart. 5-day chart, is very, very interesting here. Bitcoin actually is doing exactly the same as 2018. Watch this price action here. And also we study price action here. What is this? You see? What is this? So we are around here, around this area. We are in this area. So I am looking for the next part. So that means other 25, 50, 30% crash I am looking for the incoming month. I mean, this month maybe in the second week of December. So bear trap, there is a very, very low probability. And the reason is simple. Is because, well, 50 the moving average, sorry, 5-day chart in OBB broke the M55 again, and also not just only broke the previous low here of October. So that means, well, continuation. Okay, so you ask me right now is like this. Okay, so any drop, any bounce you see, for example, in 4-hour chart, whatever, is just a sell, in my personal opinion, of course. Now let's talk about the 1-day chart. 1-day chart is bullish, right? To the moon, the bottom is in. Yeah, I remember when people say here the bottom is in. I said, no, you're crazy. Yeah, I know. Now who is crazy? Okay, so thing here is like, okay, the ADX is positive here. Okay, as long as it's positive here, this is just gonna be sideways here, and I am looking for a bounce here. Yes, a bounce where the MI55 potentially in 1-day chart. I don't think so. I think Bitcoin will not test the MI55 in 1-day chart for a long time. I think it was gonna get rejected from maybe 4-hour chart. I think so. But the thing here is like we will see a potential bounce here. Yeah, in the moment when we see the bounce signal here in curve, maybe in 2-3 days. Okay. So as you can see here, now Bitcoin is bouncing here. Yes, it's something I was projecting this morning 8 hours ago in 4-hour chart, and this bounce, please, it's just a sell. Okay, so be happy here because well, the bottom is in. No. You want to talk about validations? Yes, very simple. Bitcoin must pound right now here and close about I would say 20k. Yeah, any close about 20k. Yes, this was a bear trap, and to the moon to $27,000 right now. But we don't have bullish divergence. We don't have anything on the chart to support this, so that's why be careful. Now let's talk about the 4-hour chart. This is the topic I was talking about. Let me show you. We have a bullish divergence here, as you can see here. A bullish divergence. So now Bitcoin is bouncing. Target, well, the first I was here, I was in long position. Well, first I was in short here, I got to stop it, and after I went a long position, I recovered my loss, and I made some profits. I was scalping here a little bit the price last week, and here right now to the moon, right? No. It's like this, just simple. It's a bounce, yeah, follow the MI55 here, around maybe right now is around 17,600, 500 around here, and after that, to the moon. When you see the sell signal here in 4-hour chart, careful, because Bitcoin now is about to test the MI55 in 4-hour chart. And here, what is this? Rejection, and after that, to the moon, right? No. Okay, so as I said before, you want to see invalidations, you want to see this a bear trap. In the short term, Bitcoin must close about 19k, and in I'm talking about like higher time frames. Any close below $20,000, about $20,000 or $21,000 better. Yes, this is gonna be a bear trap, and after that, Bitcoin to 1 million if you want. Based on probabilities, I don't think so. Okay. Now let's talk about the 1-hour chart, because I know volatility is beautiful right now, right? But that's why I am not a scalper, but I was scalping because of this. Just a few times per year we have the opportunity to make some profits actually like this, right? So it was very good actually. So as you can see here, yeah, we have a buy signal here around this point. Yeah, here is testing this area as support, temporal support right now here, and it's bouncing here. So you asked me to buy here right now because to the moon, right? The bottom is in. Be very careful, because this it could be here, it could be here. All of this is just a sell. Okay, you respect the time frames in higher time frames. If you know weekly chart close like a garbage, if you know 1-day chart is still to the downside with 1-day chart, to the moon in 1 hour. Okay, so just careful here. careful. In my case, what I'm going to do, I am not financial advisor, right? I am not financial advisor. Usually when you see this 1, 2, 3 strikes, eventually you will see the MT21 broken here, and you will see an extension here to the ME55. But even you see this extension is, as I said before, is gonna be a sell. Okay, so in some point here, maybe in the next 24 hours, we'll see Bitcoin around $17,000, 700, 600 on there, 18 maybe maximum, I think, and after that, like this. Okay, so let's talk about something else now. Bitcoin, one moment. The monthly. I know it's too soon here, but you wonder why 16K? Well, it's something we were talking before, right? Bitcoin Fund is trying to support right now the exponential moving average 100 here in monthly. It's the first time in the history of, according to this data, of course. According to this data, in this chart, the Bitstamp, as you can see here, is the first time Bitcoin is testing here. Now the question is this support? Well, I will tell you something. It's very important, yes. The problem is like Bitcoin has 3 weeks, 3 weeks to close below there. Any close below $16,000, well, actually for me that is something I'm expecting. You will see Bitcoin eventually around 9,000, 10,000 around there. So far right now I am looking for a bounce. Yes, maybe this week a couple bounces trying to break. As you can see here, the monthly, you want to see this a fake out in monthly. Bitcoin must close about right now $20,500. Right now $20,500. Any close by the end of the month above here, yes, this is a bear trap here, and after that to 1 million. Okay, but not now. Bitcoin actually is reversing the trend. I have very bad news for you, right? It is reversing the trend in monthly. Okay, not yet. Why? Because I want to see a big red candle like this. Let me show you here. Let me show you something like this. I want to see something like this. This candle like this. I want to see this. After I see this, yes, my friend, welcome to the first real bear market for Bitcoin. So why the first real? Well, because Bitcoin has never been a bear market. That's it. Okay, this is just correction, and finally here you will see this break. Yes, potentially we are gonna see the first bear market for Bitcoin in the history actually. Remember, Bitcoin is very young. It's like a baby. It's like a baby. So you really want to see a major asset, at least 20 years of price action, at least. Okay, so right now here, any close about 16K and better above $20,000, $21,000 right now at this point. Yeah, we can start saying, yeah, the bottom is in and to the moon. Why I don't think it's gonna happen? Well, I explain why, and also let me show you something very scary, right? Yeah. Okay, you're investors. Okay, get ready because this is gonna be very interesting. Watch this. Okay. In monthly, we never saw this before for Bitcoin. Okay, technically speaking, of course, following this indicator, like just based on probabilities, right? It's the first time in the history Bitcoin actually confirm, and not just confirm, the slope is getting positive. As you can see here, reds are bears, green are bulls. Is getting positive. The slope is getting positive. That means bears, they are getting momentum. And you see here, Bitcoin just did it something like that in sideways. Actually, it was in 2015. So we never saw this before. Never. It's the first time. So because the slope is getting positive here in the monthly, what do you think is going to happen? Bitcoin will hit $500,000 in 2023. Maybe in your dreams, maybe. Maybe you remove one zero, or maybe even 2. Maybe you will hit the target. Because the monthly, we never saw a monthly correction for Bitcoin. As I said before, this is a weekly correction, and here it was a weekly correction, and now we will see potentially a monthly correction. So in the weekly correction crash, Bitcoin crashed 87%. What do you think Bitcoin is gonna do in the monthly? Very interesting, right? I don't know the answer. but I can get a better idea, of course, based on my experience, right? Remember, I am not a financial advisor. I don't want to scare you. I want just to become very smarter, right? Yeah, because, well, you ask me right now, okay, you are saying Bitcoin will crash to 10K. Yes, sell. Well, it depends, right? Selling was in 2021 here. What I said, actually, I said here in 2021, is not the buy, it's not the moment to buy, is the moment to sell, right? And after that, here you ask me to sell right now. Of course not. As investor, of course not. No. Why? No. As investor, no. Here, we are gonna see in 2023 a major bounce. Yes, but this bounce, my friend, is gonna be a sell. Just keep in mind, okay? If you see Bitcoin 10K 2022, the next bounce you are gonna see, you will see something like this, is gonna be a sell, okay? Something like this, okay? Here, I will wait for you with my shorts, if I am right, of course. Okay, so let's continue right now with the other altcoins. The first one I want to show you is Cardano. Why Cardano? Because Cardano is about to hit my target. Remember, I said in 2021, wait for it, right? Because it's macro time frames. It will take it's monthly. It will take at least 1 year. I said $3, yes, to the moon, right? We will hit $5, $10. Yeah, I'm gonna buy a house in Spain, right? Okay, good luck. Here, I said, well, careful, because you will see my target is 0.20, 0.40, 0.20, and the lowest point is 0.08. As you can see here, fair enough, very good after 1 year, because this is the monthly. That's why I'm showing you this. If my prediction was in monthly, I said, well, you have to wait for 1 year. Right now, well, it's 1 year. So Cardano is garbage. It is totally garbage. So it's a massive pump and dump, as you can see here. And the target I am looking for Cardano, actually in the higher time frames, maybe this month or next month, is around 0.15, 0.20, around this area. And if you think from here is going to the moon, of course not. You will see Cardano and other shitcoins like this, in sideways, like Million token, right? Like this, in sideways. So you are thinking you are missing the bottom? No, you will have a lot of time to buy. Okay, so let's continue with Ethereum, because Ethereum is doing something very interesting. After that, I'm going to continue with the stock market right now. After one moment, let me fix this. Okay, Ethereum, as you can see here, the monthly is very clear here. Any close below 1,320, and in the monthly, I mean in the next 2 weeks, actually with the closing weekly, I can tell you there is a very good chance Ethereum will just break. The target should be around 400, 300. 400, 300, around there. Now, let's talk about the weekly close. We have a weekly close, yes. Okay, bullish, let me see here. One moment, let me remove this. Okay, OBB, as you can see here, got rejected by the, well, it's not exact, but the slope is negative here, breaking the previous low with this close. And also we have the ADX positive here, and is, well, the momentum is to the downside, okay? So you see a bounce here, for example, in a couple of days, because of course we will see a bounce, right? In 4 hour chart, whatever, is gonna be a sell. If I go to 1 day chart, for example, here, 1 day chart is bouncing, right? To the moon, bullish. No, this is the resistance, as you can see here. I am pretty sure if I see 4 hour chart for Ethereum around here, well, the exponential moving average is here, you see? So this is a bounce here, and after that, the pressure is gonna be to the downside. Okay, so let's continue with other altcoins. The second one is Solana, because, well, Solana hit my first target around 10, another a big bounce, yes, and my second target is 4. Solana, okay, right now he's 14, and here, let me see, I have other one, is 18. I don't know which one is the real one. It's FTX. Okay, so this one, no, not this one, no. So let me remove this one, because FTX is garbage, right? I cannot trust in this chart. So let me check here for Solana. What is Solana? Okay, good. 14. Okay, good. As you can see here, 12. Okay, I fell for $2. Oh my god, I am very bad trader. Okay, the target is like this. Okay, there is nothing to help Solana. Careful with Solana. Careful. Okay, Do you think this is the bottom? Oh my God, please. Just because you see two candles here. No. There is no volume here. Solana in the long term, I am expecting $3-4. I can be wrong. Yes, of course, anytime. Yeah, I am newbie. I don't have any experience. Okay. So be careful with Solana. My prediction was correct, perfect, good. Now let's talk about the monthly, because the monthly is something very interesting. As you can see here, there is no support, right? Nothing here. I wouldn't be surprised if we see Solana around $2-3 or even two actually. Of course, if Bitcoin keep crashing, and let me guess, other exchange or there something will happen, and that's why it's gonna keep crashing for any reason, right? This is the business, right? Okay, so let's continue. I'm gonna continue right now with sorry, with BNB. BNB is doing something very concerning for me. I think it's very, very important if I share with you this. I mean, BNB is doing good here. I mean, it's defending the mid-21 here, but something I don't like about BNB is like this. All of this is looking like a distribution. Okay, be careful, because now I don't follow news, right? But this time was a little bit interesting because we saw their crash, right? Just one thing: if Binance crash, all your favorite altcoins will just crash, because Binance is the biggest exchange. Okay, and if you ask me right now, technically speaking, what I see this is looking more like a distribution for me. Okay, it's looking more like a distribution. It's looking like someone is actually doing very good to try to keep the price very high here. So the monthly is, hey, but the zero line is testing here. Yes, but when you see the price like this here, right, and there is no volume here, any close below 220, remember this, any close below 220, I am pretty sure something will happen. I don't know, a scam or whatever, something like that, and you will see BNB crashing to maybe 20 or maybe 15. I could be wrong. Yes, just be careful, because this chart is looking very, very similar as FTT, I think. Watch this, you see? I am not saying it's gonna happen. I am not saying they are the same. The only thing I'm using price action to say, if, for example, I said here, any close below 20, remember, you will see around 3 or 2 or 4 around here. After that, what happened? Now you know. It's not magic. It's technical analysis, okay? I don't have a crystal ball, okay? It's just technical analysis. Now here, BNB is the same. If you see BNB breaking 220, you will see something like that. And let me guess, something will happen, something bad. Okay. Now let's talk about some, I think I finished with altcoins. Yeah, total 2. The total 2 is something is very important for me right now, because I want to see the overall direction for all the altcoins. All the altcoins, they are a sell. You ask me right now. I said many times, breaking 500 is going to be a sell. As you can see here, breaking 500, yes, when it's the moving arms ME55, get ready, because if you think this is just started, oh no, the bottom is almost in, no, we are in the middle. We are actually in a very overextended bear market, I think. Yeah, we are in an overextended bear market. I think so. Yeah, November, any close below 500, as you can see here, you will see full sell-off. When I say sell-off, 50-60% crash, all the way down to 100, 200. So that means, well, get ready, because this is a sell. This is a sell. Of course, you want to see validation, you have to see the total market cap 2 breaking and closing about 600. Okay, any close in 2 weeks, remember, 2 weeks, the probabilities they are almost not zero, but they are very, very low. Okay, and why I'm saying this is because, remember, let me show you the monthly, because I don't like when I see just YouTubers talking about bullshit. Sorry, but it's true. Remember, I don't have a crystal ball here, but I want to warn you. I want to warn you about something, and I want to be very, very, very clear about this. First of all, I am not a financial advisor. I could be very wrong about this, but if I am right, This is gonna be very bad for all the crypto space. Why? Let me show you here. If we see the yearly candle here, in 1 month, in just 1 month with 2 weeks, is about to close below $29,000. And what is this? This is yearly reversal. Yearly reversal. I know you are just wasting time in 4 hours, right? Go long 100x 1 minute chart, I know. But in macro time frames, this is very clear. Bitcoin is about to close in 1 month with 2 weeks below 30K. Any close below there, you will see, well, the first target should be around $7,000 and eventually it could be 4K. Okay, I don't want to scare you. This is just the facts and this technical analysis. Okay, we have to see confirmation. What is the confirmation? Yearly. If you see Bitcoin below 30K by the end of the year in December, game over. Game over. 2023 is gonna be shit. 2024 is gonna be, maybe we will see a rally. Maybe in 2025, in 2026 is when we are gonna see the next bull market. Okay, so it's long time. Okay, so you don't want to see this. You as investor, you want to see Bitcoin closing about 30K in by the end of the year. Probability is very low. Now, let me show you other thing. We have here the 6 months. 6 months is continuation. What is this? What is this? Gravestone candle here. This is breaking the low. This is reversal. Usually, when you see this, at least you will see other 6 months, or 1 year crashing. So as you can see, this is continuation, and the target should be between the first target, right? The first target between $9,000 and $12,000 around this area. Okay, but remember, if we see this close by the end of the year, watch my video or my prediction for Bitcoin. We are gonna see in 2023 a bounce. Yes, of course. Imagine, right? Bitcoin crash here. We are gonna see a bounce, but this bounce, my friend, this bounce is gonna be just a sell. Okay, and get ready, because if Bitcoin get rejected in this bounce in 2023, well, I don't want to say it. I think you can watch my videos, but just my technical analysis based on price action and facts. Okay, so you have to be realistic. Please try to, when you see like people, they are just buying monkeys, something is wrong. Something is wrong. Okay, so let's continue right now with I'm gonna continue with the stock market, and I have a big warning for the stock market right now, because I want to see right now the SP 500, and the SP 500 is doing something very, very, very concerning. Okay, now this is looking bullish for you. Oh yeah, to the moon, right? Let me see here. No, it's not bullish. Why? Well, if we watch the weekly chart, what is this? Let me show you. Here, exponential MA55 here testing, about to be tested this week, as you can see here, this week. So the projection always is gonna be to the downside. Okay, I am not calling for a major crash, of course not, but at least a major pullback in weekly basis. Now remember, if the stock market breaks 3,500, well, new lows. Okay, now it's just 1 month left. 1 month left, because it's almost 2 weeks, right? 2 weeks, well, 1 month and 2 weeks. Let me show you the yearly here, because this chart is very, very, very important. Very, very important. I think this chart is going to define what is going to happen with the stock market in 2023. This game is very simple. Any close below $3,700, any close by another year, yeah, for SP 500, well, 2023, at least the first 6 months, they will be, the first 6 months, they will be garbage. Okay, remember this level. $3,770 around here. Yes, SP 500 cannot close below there in December. Okay, if we see this this SP 500, we see this defending this level, well, we can start talking about maybe sideways or something like that, and maybe reversal, something like maybe yes. Now here, technically speaking, right now the SP 500 is looking much better. Yes, in monthly, yes, but it's in the range. It could be like this, right? It could be like this. Okay, in sideways, and that is the best scenario. Okay, because if we see this best scenario, for example, in the Q1 2023, eventually we are gonna see a buy signal in the monthly here, and not now, but maybe in 3-4 months I will tell you, well, the SP 500 is like this in the future, right? Not now, in the future, like this. Okay, not now. Remember, timing is very important. YouTubers, they like to draw triangles. Okay, classic technical analysis, they forget, they don't care about the timing, but timing is extremely important. It's not the same thing your technical analysis today and tomorrow, because they will change. You are trading 1 hour chart, for example, right? So it's the same thing in weekly chart, in monthly. So if SP500 close above $3,700 by the end of the year, is bullish. It's bullish, at least for sideways, something like this. Okay, at least for sideways. And in some point in the Q1 2023, potentially, if the MI55 is defended, we will see a major rally. Okay, maybe other test to 4,700, and from there, I don't know. Okay, so just, it's not very smart to be extremely bearish right now. Okay, especially in the stocks, because even if we see this pullback, because we are gonna see a pullback in one day chart. The question is in December. Remember, last day of December, as long as SP500 is closing about this area, I am, well, looking for potential buy signal in the monthly. That means 6 months, we will see green candles in the stock market. And well, Bitcoin finally is the coupling right now from the stock market. Very bad news, right? Very bad news. But never mind. So as you can see here, I am expecting auto leg up here around $4,100. That is a major area here, and I am expecting a correction from there. As you can see here, very obvious, very obvious. We are gonna see various variance forming here. Auto leg up maybe this week, maybe a couple days, and after that, correction. So remember here, $3,800 is the key level to watch. Okay, so let's continue right now with, well, let me check the comments. I think I finished with the SP500. Okay, don't give attention to trend line. Okay, James. Hello, James. Welcome to the live stream. Hello, Simon. Hello. Don't give attention to trend line, but I think the weekly trend line is also rocking monthly reversal. James, sorry, I cannot help you with that because I don't use trend lines. I don't use lines. I don't use triangles. Okay, sorry. For me, the stock market is not looking right now, right now with this bounce is responding very good. You want to see reversals in the monthly, you have to see this month, November, closing about $4,200 the monthly. Okay, but honestly, I'm expecting a rejection here. Rejection, and maybe sideways here. Okay, something like this. I cannot be extremely bearish right now for the SP500. Why? Because, well, Bitcoin broke the range, but the SP500 is defending very well here, and you will see maybe in 2-3 months, you will see the forecast is actually very clear, as you can see here. You will see maybe in April, March, a buy signal, as long as is holding this area, of course. If this area breaks, you will see 3K, actually around 2,800, the levels of 2020, the pandemic. Okay, so I think the time is almost over. I mean, Bitcoin must do something impressive by the end of the year. Okay, if you ask me right now as a trader, the probabilities are very low. Probabilities are very low. Okay, and don't get me wrong, I really like blockchain technology, the fundamentals. That is the problem. In a bull market, they want you to believe there is a very strong correlation with the price and fundamentals, right? But now what happened with your fundamentals? Okay, where are they? No. The problem is, like, when you are trading in a bull market, you don't need any skill. You buy because one friend told you, because a taxi driver told you, to the moon buy, and you see like, oh my God, every week I am making this and that, this money, and you are getting FOMO, greedy, and after that you lose everything. That's why the crypto space is the heaven for professional traders. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, Monero, right? Okay, James, let me see if I have here Monero. Where is Monero? Okay, good. Okay, you are looking for bi-weekly, right? I don't know why you're looking for this one, but okay, let's do it here. Okay, so first of all here, you have to see the close below 120 for Monero. Of course, it's not looking great. Any close below 120, this pivot, you will see 63. Now, so far it's doing good. Yes, I cannot be bearish right now here for this asset. No, I don't think so, because we just sideways here. Just think about this, okay? You are in macro sideways here from 168.70 and 115. So you are in sideways right now here. So any close below this point, you will see around 55. I can help you with something else. I mean, let me show you. The weekly chart is more clear. This is to the downside, okay? This is to the downside, and be very, very careful with this asset. Watch this. Volatility is extremely low, very, very low. So any close below 112, you will see volatility expanding here, and because the ADX is positive here, you will see a major crash, okay? So just careful here, careful, okay? For me, 2022 is not the best moment to buy altcoins, if you ask me. Of course, I am a financial advisor, right? But for me, no. I think one of my rules as a trader is if I don't see Bitcoin healthy, I don't buy altcoins. I don't buy altcoins. Okay, so let me see. Okay, then, let me see Polygon, Matic. Matic is, I don't know why, but it's doing very good, but it's getting ready for a major move, Matic, okay? Get ready for this. Of course, not now, but it's gonna take some months. When you see all the moving average contracting like this, that means the volatility is extremely low, okay? Remember, when you see the moving average like this, right? Something like this, the price is just doing this, is contracting. In some point, it's gonna be very low. That means, well, the bulls and bears, they are pushing the price, right? Like this. So in some point, one of them is gonna win. Retailers, what they do? Let me show you. Retailers, what they do? I am retailer, but I am trying. My technical analysis base is because I want to follow market makers. I don't know if you can. Let me explain myself with this example. Imagine you see price breaking here, right? Massive pump, and after that is entering a very like long-term sideways, right? But eventually you will see something like this, massive spike, and after maybe a couple of weeks, the volatility is decreasing, and it's almost flat. Okay, and here is when technical analysis, the classic technical analysis, likes to do something like this, right? Oh, yeah, it's a triangle here, right? My shape is here, and my target is like this, right? My target is like this, and because I have 200k subscribers, is like this, and the target is 0.45, right? That is something you learn from that kind of people. Okay, good. The problem here is like, well, there are two types of traders: swing traders, or very patient traders, and professional traders, and retailers. Retailers, FOMO, gambling, 25x, right? 50x, 100x, right? So professional traders, market makers, they love when the market is in sideways. Why? Because if they buy everything at once, they will pump the price. So what they are doing, well, buying or selling, right? It depends, right? Small chunks or amounts of the other assets. And after that, yeah, when the price is very contracting, it's very easy just to pump because they have the liquidity, right, to do it. And here, they don't buy anything, they don't sell anything. What they are doing? Just waiting for what? Well, they pay the news, they pay influencers, they pay whatever you want, right? And after that, FOMO, right? Retailers, oh, let's buy because I am missing it, right? And after that, yeah, what happened? Well, they start dumping their assets here, in all the process, right? That's why you believe Bitcoin was cheap at 60K, okay? The very good example for this, let me show you. For Bitcoin, we have a very good example with this crash, and actually it's gonna be very useful. Remember, I am trying to make my live streams more educational right now, because that is the goal of this channel. The goal is like after you see the live stream, if you can learn something from my experience, well, for me, it's enough. Okay, let me show you here. in this crash, right? So Bitcoin in 1-day chart here, let me show you here in 1-day chart. Yeah, I don't want to say names, right, because it's not my style, right? But for example here, I remember this situation. You saw in Twitter, you saw in YouTube, you saw in many places here. This is a very bullish, right? The target is like this from this point and this point, and the target is what? Is around $27,000, right? And they will tell you it's like this and it's like this. Okay, here I'm gonna show you why classic technical analysis is bullshit. Okay, why? Okay, I bought my book from Amazon, and they said, okay, this is a triangle. Okay, so my stop loss, I'm gonna enter in long position here because you know, right, the triangle. Okay, so I'm gonna buy here. Okay, my stop loss, according to my book, right, I bought in Amazon, right, or I download in PDF, is below the previous low. Okay, good. Target, the triangle said $27,000. Okay, let's do it. Okay, good. Go long 100x. Okay, perfect. Congratulations. Okay, and your YouTuber is saying this to you, right? To the moon, as expected. Okay, very good. Now, what is that? Okay, now, okay, Bitcoin is dumping, no problem, no problem. Very good. And after that, oh my God, okay, pump, very good. Okay, I can feel the FOMO, right, to the moon right now. Okay, and here I said in my live stream, right, I said, doesn't matter the price you see Bitcoin, it's gonna be like this. Okay, doesn't matter. We are looking for shorts, not for longs. Okay, so what happened after that? The triangle broke the triangle, and you will see Twitter, media, oh my God, to the moon, Bitcoin is pumping, and we are going to 1 million, right? Okay, good, fair enough. And after that, I'm gonna show you why this is just bullshit. Okay, what is this? After this, okay, no, don't worry, okay? Just, the target is 27K. Now, I will tell you something. Market makers, they know this, okay? They know at least 70-75%, the last time when I checked the stats, right? 70-75% of all the traders, okay, first of all, 90% or more, they are losing eventually in the markets. They will lose almost everything, okay? And from that 90%, 70% they are using classic technical analysis. My question for you is, why are you using technical analysis, classic technical analysis, if you know you have around 70% of probabilities to lose? Okay, if you know the majority of the traders they are losing doing this, why you're doing the same? Okay, think about it. Okay, so market makers, they know that. They know you see this triangle. They know you have a divergence in RSI. They know you have a buy signal with the MACD crossing, right? It's bullish, right? But why they know that? Because all the YouTubers, all the newbies, they are doing this garbage. Okay, so think about it. If you have this information, what are you gonna do? It's very simple. Okay, I'm gonna start selling here. I am market maker, right? I'm gonna start selling here. Is bouncing here, FOMO. I'm gonna keep selling. And after that, well, what is next? What is next? To the moon, right? Yeah, it's bullish. Okay, here. When I saw this bounce here, and I said, it is a pullback. Any close below 20K, you will see $18,500, even lower lows. I mean, major lows. You see? As you can see here. And, well, what happened after that? But what happened with your triangle? Your triangle is very powerful, right? 27K, next target. My God, please. You see? You see? And it's amazing how many followers they have. Impressive. Seriously, impressive. Okay, so now let me show you the last example. That was a major bull trap in micro time frames. Many YouTubers, they were doing this, right? My triangle here, massive consolidation. The target is $147,000 the target. That's why 60,000, if you buy it here 60,000 is cheap, right? You will make 100% maybe, right? And well, because the triangle, right? Because the YouTuber, because influencer, right? Please don't follow YouTubers, don't follow influencers, don't follow my own technical analysis. Just I'm sharing what I'm saying, but you have to do your own work. You have to study, you have to learn. Okay, that's it. So what is this? Okay, to the moon, right? I said here in my community, right? Short. I'm happy after that. Well, now you know. Okay, so that's why I have many examples like this, many. Why, if you keep using technical analysis, classic technical analysis, well, in general, it's very bad idea. Now, for example, we are in a bear market. What is this? I said before, bounce here to what? Crash. We are in a bear market, remember? Okay. Now let me show you here, because also I am trading here. Let me see here. We have in 4-hour chart. We don't have still sell signal present. So this rejection is just 4-hour chart, 1-hour chart, I think. Yes, we are gonna see a sell signal very soon, and you will see other test to $16,000 around here. Any close below the mid-21, $16,500. I will start looking for a break this level, breaking this level, and continuation to 14K. Okay. We don't have better variance here now. We will see a sell signal soon. I am looking for shorts, no longs. Remember, one thing is trading, other thing is investing. Okay, it's very different. Okay, guys. Okay, let me see more questions. Okay, Simon, BRN. Oh, okay, let me see. Today, don't worry, I'm gonna stay a little bit longer because I think it's very important what is happening right now in the crypto space. And also Friday, I couldn't be online, so I'm gonna be other 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Usually I stay here 1 hour, so I'm gonna stay other 15 minutes after that. Okay, so don't worry. I will try to answer your questions as much as I can. Let me see, BRN. Oh my God, what is this? Okay, let me BRN. Okay, Brain Chip Holdings, I think. Yeah, of course. Let me see. Okay, good. So let me see. You are looking for 1 day, weekly, and monthly. Okay, wow. Okay, I mean in general. Okay, I'm gonna start with macro timeframes. Usually, as usual. Okay, monthly. What is this? Let me see here. We were an uptrend here. You are in uptrend. Okay, it's like this. Okay, like this. That's it. You're looking for buy, it should be around 0.45 cents around here, this area. Of course, it's not healthy. Yes, you will have to wait for more time, right? And maybe in 2023 you will see something like this, right? But as long as holding MA55, MA100 here, I am not bearish. Actually, I'm bullish. Looking for continuation. The trend is your friend. What's this? Testing here to zero. Of course not. This is to the moon. Okay, in long term. Weekly chart. Weekly chart here. Same thing. Maybe in weekly chart, of course, I'm expecting another leg down, yeah, and maybe you will see maybe 0.43 or 0.45. But for me, looking, after I saw monthly is a buy opportunity for me. Remember it, my friend. I am not financial advisor, okay? Yes, I'm sharing my experience in the markets, but the trend is your friend. Follow the trend, and that's it. You will be fine. Okay, so let's see. 1 day chart, I think, right? 1 day chart. Okay, let me see here. 1 day chart. Okay, this is as a buy signal right now, bounce signal here. Remember, you are in downtrend, so the projection is gonna be sideways, sideways or bounce, and after that bounce, continuation to the downside. Okay, around 0.40, 0.50, around there, 0.45, 0.50, and here is the monthly. Okay, here no shorts. Okay, you're looking for the shorts maybe after the bounce, not now. Okay, so let me continue. Let me see one moment. Let me see Bitcoin, because I don't want to miss this the short opportunity I is showing up right now. Few times per year we have the opportunity to I am not a scalper, seriously, I am not, but few times per year we have this volatility. I like this volatility. That's why, for example, right now, let me see. please don't follow my technical analysis, don't follow my trades, don't copy my trades, because in 2023 I'm gonna open my official account for copy trading. Okay, so try to be patient, please. Okay, don't copy my trades, because remember, in my small account, it's my small account for one reason, because I am trying different strategies, different systems, different indicators, right? In my main account is something like I am using trader. I trade just 1 day chart, no less, just 1 day chart. So 1, 2, 3, 1 or maximum 3 trades per month, because I am looking for quality, not quantity. Okay, so not yet. It's not ready. Bitcoin. I will have to wait a little bit more. Okay, so let's continue. James, okay, I don't want to say names, thank you. Okay, yeah, triangles, rectangles, whatever. Everything what you see in the in the chart is only your imagination, okay? That is the thing, okay? It's only your imagination, okay? Here, how many patterns you can see right now here, okay? Tell me. Yeah, for me, this could be this pattern here, from here, I can say a parallel channel here. Yeah, for other people, no, it's I don't know, something like this. For other people, it could be something like this, a triangle, right? Yeah, for other people, it could be like this, right? Something like this, and so on, right? Which one is the correct? You tell me, which one? Yeah, and it's very funny, because something like this, I love to see some traders even do, no, it's because my trend line from, I don't know, something like this, something like this, sorry, something like this, from this point and this point, and now after that they are saying bullshit, right? Oh no, it's because the line, you see, broke the line. One line is not a support, okay? One line is not support, it's the area of confluence. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, GBP USD 4 hour. Okay, GBP, yeah. Where is this one? GBP. Okay, good. Okay, in 4 hour, right? In 4 hour and daily. Okay, daily. Let me see here. Let me here. Where is that? Okay. Okay, good. Okay, careful here. I mean, is bullish? Yes, it's to the upside. Okay, don't get me wrong, it's to the upside. But you asked me to buy? Of course, no, thank you. No. Why? Because here is the major resistance. Actually, for me, it's a short. You see here, of course, it's a short for me. And after that, you will see the pullback. And here, when you see this pullback here, and it's holding here with other buy signal, yes, to the money you want. Okay, so but not yet. Right now, it's still bullish, yes, but for me, in 1 day chart, no thank you. And remember, if you see it leg up, you will see a better divergence for me here in curve. So no thank you. It's not smart to enter right now. Now here in 4 hour chart. In 4 hour chart, it's a sell. Of course, a sell. Yes, you see sell signal ADX is about to turn negative maybe in the next 12 hours, and also a 4 hour chart is about to show a sell signal, but short 100x. Of course not. Why? Because we are in Bitcoin. Oh, sorry, this asset is trending, so that means I will wait for the pullback here, and after that, looking for the last move in 1 day chart, and after that, maybe close my position. Okay, that is something I will do. Okay, so let's continue with Euro. Okay, Euro. Okay. By the way, I really want to say thank you for all of you guys, for all your support. Seriously, on Patreon, thank you so much for all your support. Honestly, I was not expecting something like that. I am not expecting to have a 100k subscribers anytime in years. I think, as long as I keep posting my technical analysis like this, because I need to say Bitcoin will hit 1 million, right? Something like that. But well, this is educational content, right? Just I'm sharing my experience. Here is no thank you. It's not with me. This is like this. Okay, I finish. Here, ME55, never. There is no power in this world will make me to buy this thing when it says ME55. No, thanks. Okay, I know you are bullish, maybe. Who knows, right? No, this is just a bounce. the trend is your friend. The trend is like this, right? MA55 broken. And MA55 what? Continuation. MA55 what? To the moon, right? 1 million. Of course not. Just follow the trend. If I will bullish here, is because this asset must break here first, the MA55, testing here, and after that, this test, yes, to the moon if you want, but not yet. It will take months. Yeah, I will be careful with this. Careful. The momentum is to the upside, yes, but you asked me to buy there. No thanks. Okay, so let's continue. I think, okay, this is zero. Okay, this is a weekly chart, 4-hour chart. If I notice a sell, I will start looking for sell positions. Right now here, yeah, ADX is still, no, 4-hour chart is about to show a sell signal. Maybe in the next 12 hours, 24. Pull back here, and after that, continuation in 4-hour chart, right? In 1-day chart, various divergence. Careful here. Careful, careful, careful. 1, 2, 3 strikes of various divergence here. Not smart, okay? No thank you. No thank you. Okay, careful. Okay, so let me see. Okay, Drake, what do you mean with classic technical analysis? Just base. Okay. Triangle, rectangles, lines, the moon. Seriously, there are indicators that are showing the moon. I am not kidding. This is not a joke. I wish it could be a joke, but it's not a joke. It's amazing. It's how humans, right? We are very creative, right? If I said here moon, watch this, moon phases. You see how it could be possible? It is a technical. This is an indicator. Shit, oh my god. Okay, so the thing here is like you need to understand something. Classic technical analysis, all the books you read about technical, I mean, they are not bad content. Actually, it's very good. You have to learn, yes, but what not to do. Okay, all the content you read in the markets, in the books, is all the rules you cannot do in the real life. Okay, why? Because the classic technical analysis, the problem is like too many people, they are doing the same thing. Okay. And well, now you know now the reason why. When too many people, they are doing usually the same thing, well, usually it's wrong. And think about this, as I said before, if you know 90% all the people, they are losing in trading, and from that 90%, 70% they are using classic technical analysis, why you are using classic technical analysis? Now, classic technical analysis for me is my own term. When you see RSI, MACD, stochastics, right? Triangle, rectangles, for example, right? For example, I saw some YouTubers. This, I don't know, the strongest support, right? The lows of June. Here, this line is a very, very strong line. A strong support, the strongest support. So after they see here testing, here, go long 100x, and after that, buy. Okay, now other example, 2017. Yeah, I know I'm crazy because I remember all the days, important days in the chart, because you have no idea how many times I started this chart of Bitcoin, thousands, I think. So here, very funny, right? 20k here, this a strong resistance, very, very strong, short all in, grid index 90. You see, it's a sell. Okay, if you follow that way of trading, well, you will miss all this move from 20k to 69k. Okay, you see, because the trend line, the line is very powerful. Remember, this could be the support for one trader. This one could be the support for other trader. This one could be the key support for other trader, or this one could be the support. And the worst thing is like, well, I am an Avenger, and I'm gonna say, okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or maybe this one is I don't know, something like that, crazy, A, B, C, D, F, blah blah blah. LY traders, they are the craziest one for me. I respect, sorry, I don't want to be respectful, but why? Because they will post, I don't know, you are in a Discord channel where you have these LY traders with Fibonacci levels like this, and oh yeah, my Fibonacci 3.1, blah blah blah, right? But they will be right. Why? Because they will post around 5 or 6 charts showing you different counts. For example, here they will say, hey, this is A, B, C, D, whatever, or maybe this could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever, or they could say from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They are sharing with you, yeah, with you all this kind of garbage. Yeah, of course they will be right in some point, right? After they share five or six, of course. Hello. Okay, heretic. Okay, good. Okay, thank you. By the way, heretic. Well, this guy Drake is one of, I think he joined when I started with my group in 2017, 2018. I cannot remember, many years ago. Okay, so that's why I don't follow technical analysis like that anymore. Why? Because I learned in a very bad way and a very expensive way. Yeah, I was trading with elevate theory for many years. That's why I don't use it anymore. It's very good, yes, for higher time frames because you can get a better idea what potentially the asset is gonna do. But for real trading, it's like you are Doctor Strange and you have 3 eyes and you can watch the future. You can see the future, right? Of course not. Just I understand my limitations as a trader and I'm a human, right? I cannot see the future. In that case, why I'm trading? Just I need to buy my ticket or lottery and I can win the lottery, right? Okay, so let's continue. PLS weekly and monthly. What is that? PLS. I don't know. PLS. Okay, let's do it. Bullish. Monthly is very bullish, of course. Monthly is very bullish. Let me see here. Well, careful here because in 2023, right? In the monthly, you ask for the monthly. In 2023, you will see very sharp variances at some point. I cannot tell you where, and the volatility is contracting. So what does that mean? Well, you will see a major correction potential in 2023. Now, weekly chart. Yeah, sell signal here, but ADX is OBB is still good, very good actually. We have various variance forming, yes, in progress, so be careful here. I mean, it's looking good, yes, but not because of that I will buy here. No, if you want to buy here, I will wait for maybe in 2023, right? In 2023, a pullback, and after the pullback, yes, continuation to the uptrend, okay? But right here, instead, for example, right, if I bought in 2022 in July or something like that, this is the moment to start selling, not buying. Remember, I am not financial advisor. Okay, guys. Okay, is this distribution well? I think I already answered the question. Sorry, I cannot pronounce your name. Why? Hello. Thank you for answering. Now, thank you for joining. Thank you. I really appreciate your support. What about flags? Flags are like triangles. Okay, it could be to the upside or to the downside. Let me be clear with something. Okay, I know maybe you are in my private channel. You already know this, and maybe you say again. But it's very important. Remember, be patient because many people sometimes they are new, right? So first of all, you have to understand something. The biggest difference between retailers and gamblers and professional traders is this, or also YouTubers. They will draw whatever, right? You see the price here. For example, here. Let me do it here. Yeah, here. Okay. You can use a triangle. You can use RSI. You can use whatever you want. Okay. But in the left side, we are experts. We are the best traders in the world. We backtested. Paper trading is the most. Oh my God, I am a millionaire in paper trading. Okay, good. But in real life, welcome to the reality. Yeah. The reality is like we are gonna make just profits in the right side of the chart. Okay, so you will have to draw 2 arrows, to the upside or to the downside. Okay, and this is the key. The biggest difference between professional traders and retailers and just moon boys or gamblers is they just do this, right? They draw maybe triangles, whatever they are using, and if the price pumps, very good. If the price crash, well, doesn't matter. They will be right all the time. Okay. If you want to become a professional trader in some point, or real trader, I say not professional, real trader, you have to remove 1 arrow. is gonna be to the upside or to the downside? You tell me. You can use RSI indicators, the moon phases. You can follow Elon Musk, whatever. You can use whatever you want, okay? But the thing here is you have to remove, for example, in this case, in my case, to the downside, okay? Okay, good, okay. And after that, you have to manage your risk, okay? What is your risk? I don't know. For example, you enter here and your stop loss should be around here. If you push the button, buy or go long or short, but you don't know where it's gonna be your stop loss, well, my friend, you are not trading, you are gambling, okay? So real traders, we take losses. We cannot win all time. I posted many times here in my live streams and my private channels, like, hey, I took a loss today, okay? Okay, thank you. Okay, I will practice your name. Okay, so as I said before, a real trade will take losses. You need to understand something. Taking losses is part of the journey of a trader. The key here is that your losses, they must be minimal. Instead of focusing or thinking, oh yeah, I want to make 1 million today, think in this way. How I can minimize my losses? You see? The mindset is different. You have to think how to minimize your losses instead of thinking how to make more. Because you minimize your losses, for example, you made 5 trades and you lost $50, yeah, but because your stop loss is very, I mean, your risk management is very good, and you made $1,000 or $2,000 in one trade in long position or short, you made it. You see? Maybe your win rate is not the best, but your profits, actually, they are much better than your losses. Example, I lost 5K, I think 2 weeks ago. Now I recover, I make like double. Yeah. Why? Because my risk management is much better. I can take losses, of course, yes. But I know in the long term, my system is a back-tested system where I know in the long term I will recover that amount and I will make profits as long as I follow the rules. Okay. Okay, guys. I think, let me see. Okay, Simon, I backtested many different unnoted YouTubers calls, but Leonidas is the only. Simon, thank you very much for your words. But as I said before, you are trading and you are making profits. It's not because of me. It's because of you. Because by then, who is pushing that button is you, not me. So the credit is for you. Okay. Okay, guys. So I think that's it for Bitcoin and the markets. And let me show you. Let me show you here the 4-hour chart in short term, of course, short term for Bitcoin. Now, in 4-hour chart, okay, we have the bullish divergence here. Let me see. This is the Bitstamp. Yeah, Bitstamp. Okay, good. We have here bullish divergence here with volatility contracting here in 4-hour chart. Oh, sorry, this is not the price action. Sorry. Okay, good. Yeah. Oh my God, what is this? Okay, good. Now we have here bullish divergence here already play out, and I think so. I think that we did this pump around 17,200, 300 there. I think already play out. So Bitcoin right now is gonna be maybe sideways. If you see a test to the MA55 here, well, in my case, right, what I'm going to do? Well, like this, okay, like this, and that's it. Okay, that's it. The trend is your friend, and well, the trend is my best friend. Okay. So I have 2 cats, I have 1 dog, and they are my friends, and also I have other friend, the trend. A very bad joke, I know. Like this, okay? To the downside, okay? Why? Because the trend is my friend. Simple. 4-hour chart to the downside, okay? 1-day chart, well, to the downside. ADX is still positive here. I mean, you would say, oh, but the curve is about to show a buy signal. Maybe yes, but I will. If I have to say something right now, don't waste too much time in 1-day chart or 4-hour right now. Why? Because higher time frames, especially the monthly, my friend, the monthly is something we have to be very concerned. It's very concerning, and let me tell you, last time, because I don't want to bother you more time with this. Remember what I said in 2021, especially you are watching my videos since then. I mean, since I started, and thank you very much for watching this. Remember, asset I think here in Bitcoin is not doing the same thing as before. Yeah. You saw the moving average, 200, whatever, right? They were acting as support, right? In the long term. Well, not because you saw it 2 times, that means they will work. Okay, eventually you have to see the reality, and the reality is this one. The reality is like Bitcoin is losing steam every time when it's pumping. You see, every time. And now the thing here is like, it's something I don't understand. Why YouTubers, they don't say, hey, we have better divergence in the bi-monthly, we have better divergence in 3-month chart, we have better divergence in monthly. Okay, 1 million K. 1 million K, right? $1 million, right? Of course, yes. So no, that's why I strongly invite you to understand. Don't watch one side of the chart. Always you have to see both sides, and after that you must use risk management. Okay. In my personal opinion, my friend, if you are coming from the stock market and you are thinking to buy Bitcoin because the stock market is very easy to the moon, right? No. One thing here is the stock market. Many YouTubers. One moment. Very good. Very good. One moment here. Okay, I open. Oh my God! I really. 1 second. If I get red, I'm gonna get red now. Okay, good. So, you're coming from the stock market and you are thinking the crypto space is like the stock market. No, I have very bad news for you. Trading the stock market is so fucking easy. Easy. You are trading in the crypto space. Welcome to the Wild West. Okay, this is fucking crazy. Why? Because now it's like, oh, crash 10%. My God, Bitcoin. You see the crash, right? 80, 75, 77% crash. It's nothing. It's something that we see in the crypto space every day. The thing here is like many traders, especially from the stock market, they are using something. Okay, let me see. I have 3 minutes left, and it's very important because I'm trying to answer all the questions people they send me in weekend, and I was busy. Okay, right? DCA, right? DCA, so far the best strategy, the world, blah 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 blah. Okay, this is true if the asset is gonna be in uptrend forever and ever. Yeah, that's why you have many TikTokers saying, if you buy $500 per month for the next 20 years, you will be a millionaire, because they imply the stock market will be in uptrend forever and ever, right? But the question is that correct? Is it correct to see just one side of the market? No, it's not smart. What could happen is suddenly the stock market or Bitcoin, whatever, enter in a real bear market. What happened with your DCA? So people said, okay, I'm gonna buy a 60K because I am newbie, I don't know anything about Bitcoin. And someone said Bitcoin will hit 1 million. Okay, very good, right? And after that, I have 100K. Okay, I'm gonna buy here 20K. Very good. DCA is the most powerful strategy. Okay, perfect, very good. And after that, Bitcoin crash. Okay, 47K. Oh my God, big discount. Okay, let's buy other 20K. Very good. Oh, okay, crash 30K. Wow, my God, I'm gonna buy other 20K. Oh, it's to the moon. Okay, I'm gonna wait because Bitcoin will hit 1 million, right? To the moon. And after that crash, yeah, I'm gonna buy other 20K here. Okay, very good. And after that crash again, said, oh shit, I have just other 10 or 20K more. What I can do? Okay, I bought here, and after that crash again. Shit. What happened? Your average price, all of them, is gonna be around here, around maybe 37, 35. Okay, if Bitcoin crashes to 8K, even with that, you are gonna be down around 75%. Amazing system of trading. Beautiful, wonderful, right? Wonderful. You see? So if you are gonna use these kind of things, you have to be smart. And what I'm saying this is because you have no idea how many private messages I got last weekend after the crash. People asking me, oh my God, it's because I bought this and that and I'm getting wrecked. Well, do you know what is risk management? No, what is that? Oh my god, crazy, really. So you prefer to lose 10k, 20k, 50k, 100k, but you cannot invest in yourself. If you want to trade, you have to invest in yourself. You have to find a mentor. You have to buy books. You have to read. You have to do something. Believe me, it's gonna be 10 times cheaper than losing 400k. Mm-hmm. Okay, so the thing here is like, if you're using this, well, now congratulations, you are wrecked. Now I have some friends and also YouTubers. They were doing this garbage in Cardano. They bought at 2.20. They bought at 1.6, $1 million. Okay, the mission is like, 100k, and the mission was making 100 to 1 million. Okay, yeah, congratulations. And they bought all of this, thinking Cardano will go to $10. Okay, now they are down what? 70%. Amazing, right? Amazing. Okay. So that's why I don't use. For me, it's very irresponsible to say DCA is the best strategy. When I hear those kind of things, it's like, okay, you are buying the monthly, you don't want to sell maybe in 10 years, maybe it makes sense. But you are willing to be in loss for maybe 5 years. For example, Cardano right now, if I am right with this, Cardano will hit my long-term target, 0.12, 0.10. And here, all the people, it's not going to be 7% crash, loss. They will lose almost everything, 90%. Yeah. Yeah. And here, Cardano is going to be for years, maybe 1 year or two in consolidation. After that, to the moon, right? Maybe yes. And they will have to wait 3 years, 4 or 5 years. Okay. So if you are planning to use DCA, at least learn how to do it. And no, it's not every 5% crash or every $500 per month or per week. No, it's not like that. In the next live stream, I will be happy. Just remind me. I will be happy to share a very simple strategy you can follow to use DCA, or when it makes sense to use DCA. Okay. So right now here, I don't want to extend more this live stream because it's almost 20 minutes more. But if you ask me right now actually makes sense to use DCA. Imagine you were waiting for more than 1 year and you're not investing right now. You're waiting for the best moment. Remember, I am a financial advisor, right? Remember. But you were looking for the right moment to become an investor. What are you waiting for? Mm-hmm. Here, from this point and this point, I will be very happy to use DCA. It's not the same buying from 16k to 10k or 9k to buy from 60k to 30k, right? Of course, right? So even if you are in loss here for a while, believe me, you are gonna be more you're gonna be faster in profits than all the people here. They will have to wait years, maybe 5 years, I think. So that's why if you are gonna use any system or any strategy, please, you need to understand what you are doing and why. Okay. So in the next live stream, just please remind me, because sometimes I forgot, why I'm looking for this potential DCA, how I will use it, because I will use it. Yeah, I will use it, but in my way, because I designed a system for that, and it's very simple. Okay, guys, thank you very much for watching. Thank you. I think today is 21 viewers right now. It's amazing. I think I broke the resistance, because usually it's 15, 16. Yeah, now 21. Thank you very much. So, well, I don't usually ask for this, but, well, if you like this live stream or the content, please share and subscribe. Thank you. Okay, guys, done. Thank you very much. But as I said before, if you are, all of you guys, if you are in profit right now because of this, or at least you are saving, or you didn't get wrecked, well, at least like the live stream, right? You will help me a lot. My goal is, in 2023, I want to reach 1,000 subscribers. Okay, I hope so. That is my dream. I'm kidding, but yeah, it will be very nice. Okay, guys, thank you very much for watching, and see you tomorrow. Please be careful with the volatility, because the volatility is very low. If you don't have enough experience, please don't trade. Don't trade and manage your risk. Okay. or you are learning, this is a very good time to learn with paper trading. Okay, guys, thanks for watching, and see you tomorrow.